As we are already in winter season and throughout India in this season, all of us love to eat something fried with a hot piping tea or coffee. And this is Smita. So let's make today's recipe with chicken egg devil. Though they may be called by different names like Scotch egg, crochet, or Nargisi kofta, but they all mean the same thing. An egg is coated with a minced meat or smashed potato filling and then covered it with breadcrumb. Now let's check the ingredient to make this recipe for today's evening snacks. And the ingredients are potato, egg, green chili paste, salt, some basic masala, cumin powder, red chili and turmeric powder. With that, some whole spices, red chili whole, cumin seed, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks and bay leaf. Now, onion chopped, ginger and garlic paste and chicken mince. So let's begin the recipe. First of all, take a pan, add water and once the water starts boiling, add 6 eggs and 2 large potatoes and boil it until the eggs are cooked. It will take around 7 to 8 minutes for perfect boil. On the other side, let us make some roasted masala. For this, in a pan, add 2 red chili whole, 2 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves and 1 small cinnamon stick. With that, half teaspoon of cumin seed. Now roast it in a medium-high flame until it turns smoky. Once it is done, then remove it and make a fine paste with the help of a mixer grinder. And our roasted masala will be ready. On the other hand, now let us shake the boiled potato and eggs. It seems it's perfectly done. Remove it with the help of a spider strainer. Next, remove this potato and egg from the boiling water and bring it to room temperature. Once it cools down, we will peel off the skin from the egg and the potato. On the other side, we will make the masala. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and once the oil heat up, we will add 2 medium-sized onion chopped and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste into this onion and again stir it well for some time. Next, add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste and half teaspoon each red chili powder, turmeric powder and cumin powder, though you can adjust the spiciness according to your taste bud. Stir it well for another 3 to 4 minutes and then we will add 250 grams of our chicken mince. After adding the chicken mince, you have to stir it well. Then add salt as per your taste and 1 tablespoon of the roasted masala which we have done at the beginning of the recipe. Then keep on stirring until it turns dry in a medium-high flame for around 7 to 8 minutes. And when this consistency reaches, at that time we will add our boiled potato. Smash it with your hands or with the ladle. Then keep aside and finally give a good mix with your hands so that everything comes together. And it can be easily molded around the egg. The minced meat should have a paste-like consistency. If the mixture is too wet, add more breadcrumbs. If it is too crumbly, add some beaten eggs. Now with the help of a knife, we will divide the eggs into 2. On the other side of the plate, place the chicken mixture too, so that both will go side by side when you give the shape to this egg devil. Now the tricky part. Take half of the boiled egg, divide the mixture into 70 grams and press to flatten it on your palm. Now mold the minced meat around the egg. Egg devil should ideally be oval or egg shaped. Try to maintain that shape. If not, round will also work. Next, repeat these steps with all the sliced eggs and keep aside. After arranging them properly, we will need to coat it with breadcrumbs. For this, take 2 cups of breadcrumbs on a flat surface, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add half cup of water into this cornstarch and make a smooth slurry. In place of this cornstarch, you can also use egg wash. Now take one at a time chicken egg devil, lightly dust it over the breadcrumbs, then dip this into the cornstarch slurry, roll it over, and again place them onto the breadcrumbs. Now press lightly with your hand so that the breadcrumbs stick well with the cornstarch slurry. Finally, place this into the hot oil and fry them until it turns golden brown from all the sides in a medium high flame. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to get fried. As it getting fried, quickly let me share with you a tip. Do not use the same hand to handle the wet and dry ingredients. Handle the eggs with one of your hand and breadcrumbs with the other hand. This is to avoid clumping of the dry ingredients. You will not believe how much these tips help unless you try it. Now our crispy, crunchy chicken egg devil is ready to serve. Serve it with some onion salad, mustard sauce, and sprinkle some black salt. And I hope you enjoyed this chicken egg devil as much as I do. You know what, guys? I could love to see your creation if you have tried this recipe. Just comment in my comment section below. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you and thanks for watching. Bye bye.